Moving doesn't have to be stressful. Whether you're relocating across town or across the country, Three Movers in Centreville, Virginia provides professional, reliable moving services to make your move smooth and worry-free. At Three Movers, we handle all types of moves. From homes and apartments to offices and commercial spaces, our trained movers treat your belongings with care and efficiency. Here's why customers trust Three Movers. Licensed and insured. Your items are protected every step of the way. Expert handling. We pack, load, and transport your belongings with precision. Local expertise. Our movers know Centreville and surrounding areas, ensuring timely and efficient service. Three Movers offers a wide range of services. Residential moving, from single apartments to large homes. Commercial and office moving. Minimize downtime while relocating your business. Packing and unpacking. Professional packing supplies and techniques for fragile and valuable items. Long-distance moves, nationwide service with the same care and efficiency as local moves. Our clients consistently rate us highly for professionalism, speed, and care. Choosing Three Movers means choosing peace of mind and a stress-free moving experience. Booking is easy. Call Three Movers today or schedule your move online. We'll provide a customized moving plan tailored to your needs. Our goal is simple: make your move smooth, safe, and efficient.